The moment you've been waiting for is just around the corner. Homeowners are often anxious about receiving keys to their new home. This video is created to help you prepare for possession day. Approximately 2 weeks prior to possession day, you will meet our possession coordinator at your new home for your pre-occupancy orientation. This is your opportunity to learn about your home and also identify items that can be rectified prior to possession day. At the same time, you should take the opportunity to contact those parties that play a key role in possession day. Contact your lender 2 weeks prior to possession to ensure they do not require anything further. Perhaps they require further personal information. Now is the time to finalize all these items. Your lender will require proof of homeowner's insurance on your new home prior to releasing funds. Contact an insurance broker of your choice and ensure this is finalized 2 weeks prior to possession. If your insurance broker has specific questions about your home that you are unsure of, your sales associate will be able to help. Contact your lawyer to set up the closing appointment. Your lawyer will require copies of all purchase agreement documents. If your lawyer requires anything further, they will advise you. Staying on top of these items will ensure a smooth possession day. For watching. We hope this video was helpful. You can find more videos like this in the home care section of our website.